If you are a Pakistani student planning to study in China, this video will help you choose the right university. China is becoming one of the top destinations for international students because of quality education, affordable fees, and strong career opportunities. Let's explore the top 5 universities in China for Pakistani students. Number 1. Tsinghua University. This is one of the top ranked universities in Asia and the world. It is famous for engineering, technology, and business programs. Best for students who want top level education and global exposure. Number 2. Peking University. Located in Beijing, this university is known for research, social sciences, and medical programs. It offers many scholarships for international students. Great choice for academic excellence and research opportunities. Number 3. Fudan University. Fudan is located in Shanghai and is one of the most prestigious universities in China. It is strong in business, medicine, and international relations. Perfect for students who want to study in a global business environment. Number 4. Zhejiang University. This university is known for engineering, IT, and innovation. It has modern facilities and strong industry connections. Excellent for technology and research-focused students. Number 5. Shanghai Jiao University. This is one of the oldest and most respected universities in China. It is famous for engineering, business, and medical programs. Ideal for students who want strong career opportunities after graduation. Now, why should Pakistani students choose China? First, affordable tuition fees compared to Western countries. Second, many scholarship opportunities, including fully funded programs. Third, strong China-Pakistan relations make it easier for Pakistani students. And fourth, high demand for Chinese language and China-related business skills. But here are some important tips. Always check university ranking and recognition. Choose a program that matches your career goals. And try to learn basic Chinese language before going. This will give you a big advantage. Studying in China is not just education, it is an opportunity to build your future. You are watching Learn Chinese with Abdul, and this is Business Chinese series. Like this video and share it with students who want to study in China.